Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I am in the Luana area. As you can see, the Knoxford Express. Yes, so in the Luana area they have a Knoxford Express bus service, also a Nola's restaurant, also a gas station. So thank you all for stopping by on the channel. So I'm gonna show you in the Luana area how it's set up. You have a Luana housing scheme, so I'm gonna give you a tour in that area. Very nice place. If you're new to the channel, please indicate. Also you can leave where you're watching from. I would truly appreciate it. Maybe next time around you can get a shout out. Yeah man. So in the Luana area, it's very close to Black River Town, maybe about 5 minutes drive to Black River Town, but I gotta show you all over into the Luana housing scheme area. There are a lot of people looking for property to buy, house to buy. So you will see what this area look like if you want to buy a house. Also you have Airbnb in this area, so if you want to rent an Airbnb in this area also, you know how the place set up, so you have an idea. Very close to the Nola's restaurant, also to the Knoxford Express bus service. So when you come into the St. Elizabeth area, you have a lot of things you can do in St. Elizabeth. A lot of attractions. You have very close by here, you have the Wyeth Falls. Also you have the Black River Safari. Also you can take a tour into the Holland Bamboo area. Also you have the shrimp country, which is in the middle quarters. You can get your peppery shrimp. The same place that look very nice. But you know, we all know when you touch on to Bad Road, you know it's a Jamaica when you come on to that. The road can look away still, but don't watch the road. Just know something about Jamaica. Knowing Jamaica is very important if you want to travel this country, because one day you never know where you're gonna end up. So knowing Jamaica is very important. So we are in the Luana housing scheme area. So you can leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about this area. Yeah man, we can interact. Leave your views, leave your comment, so we can know what go on. If you want me to travel one place, you can leave it in the comment section. So we're having some very nice weather today. So if I see any property for sale, I will let you know. If they have any property for sale in this area, I will give you a view of it.